things didn't actually work out between you and your baby daddy. Ever since pamaka separatana ndobva wasara uine vana too, you've been doing well with your life. Urikuenda kubasa rochengeta vana vako. But there is a time where you start saying, you know what, I think I healed, I need to move on. But ever since from that time, you never meet a man who is ready to have a proper conversation with you. Could you know what? I want you to be my wife. You always meet the guys who say, where are you? I'm passing, I'm going this place. Can you go with me? Sometimes they take you there. You only realize that we are being taken to lodge. Sometimes he's asking you, can I come sleep there? Or can you come to my house? All these 5 boyfriends we have ever had for the past 2 years, they are like that. No one sounds serious. You know why? Probably you wonder asking yourself why. What's wrong with you? You are now even bitter. You are now stressed. It's because, number 1, you are not healed. Number 2, you are playing game of blaming. What does that mean? You are always pointing finger. As it is right now, you are pointing finger to your baby daddy. You're pointing finger to your exes. You never take a breath and take a step back to start working on yourself. You are on a game of blaming. When all right, there is never a time you take accountability and start working on yourself to say, why chiri kundikoza to always meet these guys instead of beating the Mr. Right. If you start working on yourself and drop the blaming game aside and start taking the accountability of blaming yourself to say, I brought these people into my life. I brought him to my life. What is it that caused me to bring this person in my life? Start working on yourself to become a better person. They say, who you are, you actually attract those people who behave like you. Sounds profound. Mkoma Steve, tell us more. Start working on yourself. Clean where you are standing.